English questions and answers for beginners.
What's your name?
My name is Michael.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 14th.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Mary.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
What's this?
It's a pen.
Who is that?
That's my friend, Amy.
Why are you sad?
I lost my wallet.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
How much is it?
It's $10.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What color is your car?
It's black.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Where is the nearest store?
It's 2 blocks away.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking.
What are you listening to?
I'm listening to pop music.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 6 inches tall.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies.
Do you travel often?
Not really, only once a year.
Where did you buy that?
I bought it online.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Are you a morning person?
No, I'm more of a night owl.
What did you study in school?
I studied biology.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm quite good at cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs the most.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What do you drink in the morning?
I usually have coffee.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What languages do you want to learn?
I'd like to learn Spanish.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've been to France.
What's your father's job?
He's an engineer.
How do you relax?
I relax by listening to music.
Do you like to read?
Yes, reading is one of my hobbies.
How often do you use your phone?
I use it quite often, every day.
What's your favorite sports to watch?
I enjoy watching basketball.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love vanilla ice cream.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
Do you like the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like photography.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I like pop music.
How many cups of coffee do you drink a day?
I drink about 2 cups.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, cooking is fun for me.
How do you travel to school?
I walk to school.
What did you do on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually hang out with friends. Thank you so much for watching my video.